Hi everyone, so we just got done with our second week of cooking club and we made hummus this week. So you can watch this video if you need a reminder on how to make the hummus, or if you want to show your friends or family members how to make it, what you made. This is for you. So and if you have a print out copy of the recipe like this, there is an error on it. Instead of 1 cup of chickpeas, it should only be half a cup of chickpeas. So make sure you fix that. But I will put the correct recipe in the description for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna move this down so you can see what I am doing here. So we started off with chickpeas and we smushed them up. So these are just whole chickpeas, but we want them to be all smushed up for our hummus, so that it is nice and smooth and creamy. So you can just use your fingers like that. You can smush it on the table. It's a really good arm workout, you know, 2 for 1. Okay, and once it kind of starts looking like that, we are going to add some of our other ingredients. So, according to the recipe, we have our tahini, and this is ground up sesame seeds, and our garlic was in there too. Oh my gosh, cats don't eat hummus. Sorry, Paloma. So, this is our tahini. And we are going to, you know what, I should go wash my hands. Let me go do that. Okay, thank you for that brief pause. So we have our smushed up chickpeas. Now we are going to add our tahini, and there's a tablespoon of tahini in here and half a teaspoon of crushed garlic in here already. So I'm going to dump that in. And tahini's it's almost like peanut butter, but it doesn't taste like peanuts, it tastes like sesame instead, but it's kind of the same texture. Okay, and then we want 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. So I have these little olive oil packets, and this is more olive oil than we need. We only want half of this, so that's gonna be 1.5 teaspoons. So I'm gonna eyeball this here and put half in. I'm just adding it to the bag, and that's about half. And then up next is lemon. So I gave y'all pre-cut lemon wedges, and I gave you half a lemon. Let's start off with only 1 of these wedges. And you wanna make sure that if there's seeds in there, you can take them out, because you don't really wanna eat the seeds. So I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in. Okay, and then lastly, I'm gonna take my spoon out. I gave you all some spices, and so this is a mix of cumin, paprika, and salt. And it's not spicy, it's just spices. So it's gonna make it taste a little different. I'm just gonna start off with a little pinch to add to my hummus. And if I want more afterwards, we're gonna taste it and see how it tastes and see if we wanna add more of anything. So press the air out, close the bag up, and mix it all together again. You can do this in a bowl, with a bowl and a spoon, or if you have a food processor or a blender, that's another way of making hummus, but this one's kind of fun, you know, to use your hands. And so once that looks like it's about mixed up, you can give it a shake to get to the bottom. And now we get to try it. So let's see. I have some snap peas and some carrots to try. I'm going to use my snap pea to take a bite. Oh, it smells so good. All right, let's see. It's a little chunky, kind of smooth. Okay, I think it needs some more lemon. It needs to be a little bit brighter. It just needs something a little bit more fresh. So I'm gonna add in the rest of this lemon that I had. It's the same way that I did before. And I'm also gonna add in a little bit more of my spices. And I'm gonna close up my bag, give that a mix, and then try it again. That's the fun thing about cooking, is that you can make it taste the way you want, you know? Everybody's taste buds are different. Everybody likes different foods. Some people like it really salty, some people don't like as much salt. So you get to make this food exactly as you want it. Okay, I'm gonna try it with a carrot this time. Oh yeah, that's way better. I really needed that extra little brightness from the lemon. That's good. So there you have it. That was our hummus, and you can use this. You can dip other veggies in it. You can dip raw veggies, cooked veggies. Broccoli is really good in hummus, or I really like hummus on toast, and you can make a sandwich with it. It's super flexible, super versatile, so you can use hummus any way you want, and now you know how to make it. So I'll see you again next week for another cooking club. Thanks, y'all.